The Beggar, Part 2, Sense Group Paragraph 3. On the first of the month, the waif made his appearance and again earned half a ruble, although he could barely stand on his legs. From that day on, he often appeared in the year, and every time work was found for him. Now he would shovel snow, now put the woodshed in order, now beat the dust out of rugs and mattresses. Every time he received from 20 to 40 kopecks, and once even a pair of old trousers was sent out to him. When Sergei moved into another house, he hired him to help in the packing and hauling of the furniture. This time the waif was sober, gloomy and silent. He hardly touched the furniture and walked behind the wagons, hanging his head, not even making pretense of appearing busy. He only shivered in the cold and became embarrassed, and his tattered, fancy overcoat. After the moving was over, Sergei sent for him. SGP 4. Well, I am happy that my words have taken effect, he said, handing him a ruble. Here is for your pains. I see you are sober and have no objection to work. What is your name? Lushkov. Well, Lushkov, I can now offer you some other cleaner employment. Can you write? I can. Then take this letter to a friend of mine tomorrow, and you will be given some copying to do. Work hard, don't drink, and remember what I have said to you. Goodbye. Pleased at having put a man on their right path, Sergei tapped Lushkov kindly on the shoulder and even gave him his hand at parting. Lushkov took the letter, and from that day forth came no more to the yard for work. The Beggar, Part 2, Difficult Words, SGP 3 and 4. Waif, a homeless person বা বাসহরা ব্যক্তি, appeared, দেখা দেলা, barely, almost not, hardly বা কোচিত, shovel, কোড়ি বা ফাউডারে বরফ কাঢ়িবা, rugs, small carpet or thick woolen blanket, mattresses, godi, hired, engaged for service, hauling, ବଳ ପ୍ରୟୋଗ କରି ଟାଣିବା, pull with force, gloomy, ବିଷାଦ ବା feeling sad, wagon, ଗାଡ଼ି, pretense, ଛଳନା କରିବା, shivered, ଥରିଲା ବା trembled, embarrassed, feeling ashamed, ଲଜ୍ଜିତ ହେଲା, tattered, ଚିରା ବା ଫଟା, fancy means decorative, effect, ପରିଣାମ, objection, complain ବା ଅଭିଯୋଗ, cleaner employment, ଏଠାରେ ଉଚ୍ଚ ନିଯୁକ୍ତି, parting, ବିଦାୟ. Summary of the Beggar Part 2 continues. The homeless person came there on the first of every month. He earned half a ruble even though he could not stand properly on his legs. Every time work was found for him. He would shovel snow, clean the woodshed and receive 20 to 30 kopecks. He received once even a pair of old trousers. ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ମାସର ପ୍ରଥମ ଦିନ ସେ ବାସହୀନ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ଜଣଙ୍କ ସର୍ଗୀଙ୍କ ଘରକୁ ଆସୁଥିଲା। ଯଦିଓ ସେ ଦୁଇ ଗୋଡ଼ରେ ଭଲ କରି ଛିଡ଼ା ହୋଇପାରୁନଥିଲା, ତଥାପି ସେ ଅଧା ରବଲ ଉପାର୍ଜନ କରୁଥିଲା। ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ଥର ତା ପାଇଁ କାମ ଯୋଗାଡ଼ କରାଯାଉଥିଲା। କୋଡ଼ି ଫାଉଡ଼ାରେ ସେ ବରଫ କାଢ଼ୁଥିଲା, କାଠଶଳା ସଫା କରୁଥିଲା, ଗଦିରୁ ଧୂଳି ସଫା କରୁଥିଲା। ତାକୁ ସେଥିପାଇଁ 20ରୁ 30 କୋପେକ୍ସ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଦିଆଯାଉଥିଲା। ଥରେ ଗୋଟିଏ ହଳ ଟ୍ରାଉଜର ବି ଦିଆଗଲା। Sergei hired him for the packing and hauling of the furniture. He changed his house. That time the beggar was sad, modest and silent. He just walked behind the wagons and didn't even pretend to walk. He shivered in cold. He was ashamed of his situation. He was given half a ruble for his pain. सर्गी तांकर घर बदलाइले. से ताकु जिनिसपत्र बंधाबंधी एवं बहिबा निमंते कार्य लगाइले. भिकारीटी दुखित थिला. से धीर स्थिर एवं नीरव रहुथिला. से गाड़ी पछरे मुह पति चलुथिला. थंडारे से थरुथिला. निजर अवस्था पाई से लज्जित थिला. तार कष्ट पाई सर्गी ताकु गोटिए रबल देले. The advocate was happy, for his words have taken effect. He saw the soberness of the beggar and asked his name. He gave him some cleaner employment. The beggar was told to meet Sargi's friend and give the letter the advocate had written. He gave him some advice to the beggar and tapped him on the shoulder. Lushkov, the beggar, took the letter and left. From that day onwards, he didn't come to walk to the yard. ଓକିଲ ଜଣକ ଖୁସି ହେଲେ ଯେ ତାଙ୍କର ଗାଳିଗୁଲଜ ଏବଂ ପରାମର୍ଶ ଫଳପ୍ରଦ ହୋଇଛି. ସେ ଦେଖିଲେ ଭିକାରୀ ସତରେ ଧୀରସ୍ଥିର ହୋଇଯାଇଛି. ସେ ତାର ନାଁ ପଚାରିଲେ. ସେ ତାକୁ ଗୋଟିଏ ଉଚ୍ଚ ଚାକିରି ଦେଲେ. ସେ ଲସ୍କଫ୍ ଗୋଟିଏ ଚିଠି ଦେଲେ ଏବଂ କହିଲେ ତାଙ୍କର ଜଣେ ବନ୍ଧୁଙ୍କୁ ଭେଟିବା ପାଇଁ. ସେ ଚିଠିଟି ପଢ଼ିଲେ ତାଙ୍କ ବନ୍ଧୁ ଭିକାରୀଟିକୁ ଚାକିରି ଦେବେ. ସେ ତାକୁ କିଛି ପରାମର୍ଶ ଦେଲେ ଏବଂ କାନ୍ଧରେ ହାତ ଥାପୁଡ଼େଇଲେ. ତାକୁ ଉତ୍ସାହିତ କରିଲେ. ହାତ ମଧ୍ୟ ମିଶାଇଲେ ଏବଂ ବିଦାୟ ନେଲେ. ଚିଠିକୁ ନେଇ ଭିକାରୀ ଗଲା ଏବଂ ସେହି ଦିନଠାରୁ ଆଉ ଓକିଲଙ୍କ ଖଳାକୁ କାଠ କାଟିବା ପାଇଁ ଆସିଲା ନାହିଁ.